Dinacharya and Ritucharya are essential aspects of Ayurveda, guiding individuals on how to maintain balance and wellness in their daily lives. By incorporating Dinacharya into their daily routine, individuals can establish a sense of stability and harmony in both mind and body. Ritucharya, on the other hand, emphasizes the importance of adjusting daily habits according to the changing seasons to prevent imbalances and promote overall well-being. By following Ritucharya, individuals can align themselves with the natural rhythms of the seasons, allowing for a deeper connection to the environment and their own inner balance. Through the combination of Dinacharya and Ritucharya, individuals can cultivate a lifestyle that promotes optimal health, vitality, and overall well-being according to Ayurvedic principles.